everyone, my name is Bao, and today I'm going to tell you about the immortal jellyfish. By no one else than me. Come on, man. The immortal jellyfish was first discovered in the Mediterranean Sea, but has since spread worldwide. Forget about that. Yeah. Let's start from here now. Over here. They can be generally found living in temperate to tropical waters. Temperate and tropical. Who can stay mostly within here? Yep. How many species are there? Today, only one species has been called biologically immortal, the immortal jellyfish. Its appearance. The immortal jellyfish is almost invisible and resembles a tiny ice cube, except for their stomachs, which are visible, which maybe here. It's bell-shaped and transparent, with a height of 0.18 inches and a diameter of 0.18 to up to 0.4. Yeah. Making it smaller than a pinky nail. Tropical water immortal jellyfish tend to have fewer tentacles than their counterparts in colder temperate waters. So who cares if this was a tropical or temperate? Yep. Hasn't moved. It's a very slow-moving creature. It navigates the vast oceans using its tentacles, and you can see in this GIF, it pushes itself forward. The immortal jellyfish's bell will expand, sucking in the water as it propels it out to swim. Yeah, that's right. Housing immortal. It first began its life as a planula, which was the planula. Then it became a polyp colony. The polyp then spawns new jellyfish, which became this. When it was threatened, it contracts it. You can choose other one. When it's threatened, it contracts its tentacles, shrinking its body, and falls onto the ocean floor. In the process known as differentiation, the mature cell is transferred to another kind of cells. It then transfers to a new polyp, and just whatever it is. And the best thing, it can repeat indefinitely, meaning that it can last forever if they wanted to. Meaning, yeah, kind of. How do they hunt it? What is their diet? Yep, you can see. The diet mainly consists of plankton, fish, and small mollusks. This is plankton, fish eggs, which are mostly, someone could say that they're caviar. Yeah, they're salmons. And small mollusks. They hunt by using their tentacles here, which contains stinging cells called nematocytes. It spread and sting their prey. The tentacles can flex to direct its prey to its mouth. Like others, it may use its bill to catch its prey. Fun facts. Yep, just those are me. It was classified as a hydrozoan. Hydrozoans are characterized by the possession of nematocytes, which are stinging cells that can be used to capture prey. It can alternately adopt both forms of the jellyfish, the medusa and the polyp. This is the medusa and polyp here. They can revert to the polyp stage after reproduction. They were discovered in 1883, but completely understood in the mid-1990s. They're called hitchhikers because, you know why? On long-term cargo ships, they just hitch at the ship, so they could just go wherever they go. At least there's a ship. So that's why they are very slow-moving creatures. There's biological immortal, which means that it can be killed, like everyone, like animals can eat it, but they don't die, or doesn't seem to die of old age. Okay. Oops. Damn crap. Okay, fine. Hurry up.
One of the most incredible
organisms. Living on planet Earth, in the oceans of planet Earth, is the Teratopsis dorsali. more commonly known as the immortal jellyfish. It is a tiny, transparent jellyfish that was first discovered in the 1880s in the Mediterranean Sea, but can be found in many oceans around the world. The thing that makes this strange, almost alien-like creature so incredible is that it is biologically immortal. This means that the creature can be killed, but doesn't seem to die of old age. Most jellyfish have a relatively fixed lifespan, but this jellyfish is capable of reverting completely to a sexually immature stage after it reaches maturity, known as differentiation, which is kind of like a butterfly changing back to a caterpillar instead of dying. The immortal jellyfish begins its life as a larva called a planula. The planula eventually settles on the sea floor and grows into a cylindrical colony of polyps. Polyps then spawn new jellyfish, which over a matter of weeks grow into adults. When fully grown, they are still tiny, about 4.5 millimeters across, but they seem to have incredible scale. When they are threatened by physical injury or even starvation, the creature can transform back to a juvenile polyp by retracting their tentacles, shrinking their bodies, and sinking to the ocean floor to start the cycle all over again. Over time, new genetically identical clones of the original jellyfish are released from the polyp into the sea. And incredibly, this can also transform back into retin, meaning that the process can be repeated over and over. The natural process has inspired many researchers to hopefully find a way of using stem cells to renew damaged or dead tissue in humans. Yep, don't laugh at that, buddy. So one day humans may live for hundreds or even thousands of years. And this may well be achieved because of the research that went into the tiny blob we know as the immortal jellyfish. Okay, goodbye. Next one. What do you want to study more about it? I want to study because can they fight against cancer? You know cancer, right? Cancer is that's the reason why you age. How do they impact the environment? Which meant how venomous are they? Can they die? Can we harness their secret of immortality into ourselves? Which my researchers are trying. How long are they have been living on Earth? What is their conservation status? Which meant that are they threatened or well, not that threatened. Like how many of the species are they? But then they'll just go up or down. But yeah, I think they'll go up because of the because they just go over the cycle and more genetically closer involved. More than they're eaten. Okay, thanks for listening. And there's a bye, Lumen Acid.